Congratulations on purchasing your new home. As you prepare for your move, it's important to understand what to expect in the transition. So let's dive into some key considerations. Number one, home inspections and repairs. So the initial inspection. Before closing, you likely had a home inspection. This report highlights any repairs needed. It's essential to review this document and prioritize the necessary fixes. Post-move repairs. Once you move in, you might discover additional issues that weren't apparent during the initial inspection. It's common for older homes to have these quirks. So create a list of repairs and tackle them as needed. Long-term maintenance. As a homeowner, regular upkeep is crucial. Schedule routine maintenance tasks such as HVAC servicing, gutter cleaning, and roof inspections. This proactive approach can help prevent larger issues down the line. Warranties and service contracts. While resale homes may not come with builder warranties, you might find existing warranties for major appliance systems. If available, review the terms and conditions carefully, note expiration dates and coverage details. Consider investing in a home warranty plan that covers repairs for systems and appliances that might fail after you purchase. Next is property taxes. Your property tax obligations will begin once you take ownership. Here are some important points. Taxes are typically assessed based on your home's value, so check with your local tax assessor's office for current rates. Beware of payment schedules. Taxes are usually due 2 times a year. You might also be eligible for homestead exemptions, which can reduce your tax burden. Next is utilities and services. Before moving in, ensure that you set up essential utilities like water, electricity, garbage, gas, internet, and cable services. Don't forget to update your address with the post office and notify important contacts of your new address. Next is Homeowners Association or HOA. If your resale home is part of an HOA, familiarize yourself with the community rules and regulations. Budget for any monthly or annual HOA fees. Understanding these guidelines will help you integrate smoothly into the community. Next is emergency preparedness. Familiarize yourself with key components of your new home. Locate the main water shutoff valve, identify the circuit breaker box, and learn how to operate the HVAC system. Keep a list of emergency contacts handy, including your local utility companies and service providers that you might need. Remember, moving into a resale home is an exciting journey filled with opportunities for personalization and improvement. Don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions at all or need assistance along the way. And enjoy settling into your new space.